Waiting, field runner from the outside is Loretta. Solar Power just one wing in the middle. Alongside is Thunderbird, Red Lotus, number 9 Emergency Call. It's now just one wing Thunderbird, Solar Power, Danori inside Red Lotus. Emergency Call alongside is entry number 10 field runner Sahara Knights also moving up. Just one wing by ahead, Thunderbird from the outside. Solar Power, Red Lotus, a long shot from the outside, Sahara Knights. And at a far turn, just one wing, Red Lotus, Thunderbird in the middle. As they race the final corner, it's still just one wing, Red Lotus on the further outside, Thunderbird in the middle. And nearing the last 100 meters more to run. Red Lotus just one wing, once again by the rail. Just one wing, Red Lotus on the outside, but still just one wing, Red Lotus, and finally just one wing, Red Lotus, Sahara Night Emergency Call, Thunderbird, and for your Super Sa East, number 10, Field Runner.